Hi, my name is Diana Ferris. Today we're going to talk about how to enter open-ended scores for your students. Using the drop-down Applications menu, go to Assessments. This will take you to a list of all available assessments. Once you're there, locate the assessment for which you want to enter open-ended scores. These will also be indicated by a pencil icon. As you hover over the pencil, you can see the words Open-Ended Response Scores. Click on the pencil icon, and this will take you to open-ended responses. If you're a teacher, you will only have your school available to you. If you're district personnel, you will have all campuses available. You can see you can choose assessment-related classes, or you can unclick that. You can choose all of your classes or a specific class. You can choose all grades or a specific grade. The landing page is the response list. We're also going to discuss scoring table and how to remove scores. Once I've made my selections, I want to click on the green arrow. This will generate a list of my students along with the status that they have for the assessment. Student has not been assigned. Student has not taken this assessment online. These are the examples. You can also see the questions that have the open-ended response. As you hover over that, you can see the narrative of each of these questions. I can go to each question so I can enter a score. You'll also notice the number of points that are available for each question will be reflected. So I'm going to go back to question 2. If the student has not been assigned to take the assessment, you will need to slide over the score bar and enter the score for the open-ended question. If he has been assigned, you will not need to do that and you'll simply enter the score. I can type in the score, or I can use the arrows and toggle the score. When entering a score, I need to make sure the score does not exceed the maximum number of points that are available. Once I've entered my scores and I'm finished, I want to click on Save Scores for Item. You'll get a message that says Scores Saved. Response scores have been saved. And then you'll just click on OK. The other method is going to the scoring table. I'll want to enter the same information as we discussed earlier, the campus, the class, the grade, and click the green arrow. I now have a list of my students in table format, and I can just go through, tab over, and type in the scores. Once I'm finished, I again want to save these scores. You note you will get a message the scores you have entered have been saved. Got it. When I finish with a list of students, if I now go back and I want to remove scores on selected students, I can go to Remove Scores. It will show me a list of students that I've entered these scores and I've saved. So if I want to delete those scores, I put a check in the box by the name of the student and say Remove Selected Scores. This will give you a message, do you really want to remove these scores? And if you do, say Remove. The scores will then be deleted and will not be a part of the analytics. After you have finished entering all the scores and saving all the open-ended responses that you want to do for all of your students, these will go into the analytics and be a part of the overall scores. Thank you for your time.